Clean all your Duplos up. You've done so good so far. Oh, no throwing. No, no, no. You put it in the other pile of the non-Duplo toys. If it's not a Duplo, you put it in the non-Duplo pile, remember? Try again. Good job. And put the Duplos in the Duplo box. You too, Alistair. Good job. Good job. Alistair, don't make a mess. Put the Duplos in the Duplo box. Good job. Good job. Now keep putting the Duplos in the Duplo box. You're almost done. No, Quentin, don't worry about the book and go put the Duplos up, please.
Hey, put the 3 apples. 1, 2, 3.
Good job.